Welcome to this shadowing exercise. I will read a sentence, and then he will repeat it. Try to speak along with him to practice your pronunciation. Let's begin. Do you have a quick second?
Do you have a quick second?
Can I pick your brain briefly?
Can I pick your brain briefly?
How did I handle that meeting?
How did I handle that meeting?
Can you give me feedback?
Can you give me feedback?
Be honest, was it a disaster?
Be honest, was it a disaster?
I'd love your thoughts on this.
I'd love your thoughts on this.
Is there anything I should change?
Is there anything I should change?
What can I improve for next time?
What can I improve for next time?
Please tell me I didn't ramble.
Please tell me I didn't ramble.
I really value your honest input.
I really value your honest input.
Did my email sound too bossy?
Did my email sound too bossy?
Give it to me straight, buddy.
Give it to me straight, buddy.
Was I clear or just confusing?
Was I clear or just confusing?
I need your expert eyes here.
I need your expert eyes here.
Any tips for my next presentation?
Any tips for my next presentation?
Was my presentation clear enough?
Was my presentation clear enough?
Did I meet expectations?
Did I meet expectations?
Did I bore everyone to death?
Did I bore everyone to death?
How was my tone in there?
How was my tone in there?
Do I talk way too fast?
Do I talk way too fast?
You are a lifesaver, seriously.
You are a lifesaver, seriously.
Let's grab coffee and chat later.
Let's grab coffee and chat later.
I'd love your honest opinion.
I'd love your honest opinion.
How did I do today?
How did I do today?
Any suggestions for improvement?
Any suggestions for improvement?
What should I do better?
What should I do better?
Please be honest with me.
Please be honest with me.
Can I get your thoughts?
Can I get your thoughts?
Was anything unclear today?
Was anything unclear today?
Did my email make sense?
Did my email make sense?
What could I improve next time?
What could I improve next time?
Am I on the right track?
Am I on the right track?
Please share any concerns.
Please share any concerns.
Did I explain it clearly?
Did I explain it clearly?
Is there room to improve?
Is there room to improve?
Your advice means a lot.
Your advice means a lot.
I want to do better.
I want to do better.
Could you review my work?
Could you review my work?
Any quick feedback for me?
Any quick feedback for me?
Did I handle that well?
Did I handle that well?
What did you think, honestly?
What did you think, honestly?
I'm open to suggestions.
I'm open to suggestions.
Your feedback really helps me.
Your feedback really helps me.
Thanks for helping me grow today.
Thanks for helping me grow today.